Hey y'all, so it's another balmy triple digit day.
100, right at 100.
100 degrees. Actually a little cooler than it's been the rest of this week, but we are preparing for a trip to Red River, New Mexico. We are going to haul the Razor up there and ride some trails. This is going to be the first time we've used our new truck to pull anything, which this big monster pulling a Razor on a trailer, we probably won't even feel it. But in preparation to go, you know, it's West Texas here. We don't get rain. I mean, it literally goes months without any precipitation whatsoever. But when the one time we take a trip, it'll probably pour down rain. So we need to get the tonneau cover on the back of the truck. I say we, Josh needs to get the tonneau cover on the back of the truck.
This is a Gator. I got it off of realtruck.com. I've ordered this one. This is the third one that we've ordered. We had the maroon truck that we used to pull the little hummingbird camper with. Then we got the black 3/4 ton gas. And now we're getting to the 1 ton diesel. But this is the third of these tonneau covers. Just to roll up. I don't need the whole locking one and everything, because once we put the fifth wheel in the back here, we want this one easily tucked out of the way, just mostly to just keep our stuff dry.
Yeah, and I told Josh that we are not putting new wheels on this truck, because with my Eco Diesel we put a tonneau cover, then we got new wheels, then we sold it, and then we got the 3/4 ton, got the tonneau cover, got new wheels on it, new tires, look nice, we sold it. So now we got the tonneau cover, but that's where I draw the line. We can't have any tires or wheels put on this truck outside the normal, what's already on there.
So instead of tires, I got mud flaps.
Yeah.
Got the Husky liners. These, just some cheap ones to throw on there for now. This just needs something to just keep the rocks off the Razor on our way to New Mexico.
All right, so what are we gonna do in the Razor while we're up there?
All right, so up in Red River, New Mexico, I've been looking around. Red River is UTV friendly as long as you stay off of Main Street, and I can't remember the highway number right now. I'll put it in the video. You can drive around. They're super friendly, good people. Been a long time since I've been up there. The fishing's great, but we're gonna go ride the trails up to Goose Lake, I think Greeny Peak, and hopefully just have some fun, get the girls up in the mountains, ride somewhere other than hot dirt desert Texas.
And we're gonna stay at the Three Bears Lodge in Red River. We made our reservations. I talked to the new owners there and they seem great, super friendly, so we're excited about doing that.
Yes, definitely.
Staying in a little cabin. Allegedly the weather there at the time that we're going is generally mid 70s during the day and mid to low 40s at night, so we may even get a fire.
Yep, that'd be nice.
In the cabin, so that'll be exciting. It'll be a definite difference from the oven that we're currently riding around in and living in.
So be sure to like and subscribe. We've got more videos coming out. We went to Great Wolf Lodge, took the girls up there. I'm almost done with that video. Hopefully we'll get that one out. But we went to Florida, took the girls out there to the beach, let them play in the pools. Had a good time, stayed at a, what was the place called?
It was the Sandestin Golf and Beach Resort.
And we had a lot of fun. So be sure, like I say, be sure to like and subscribe so you can check out those 2 videos.
So are you gonna show them the finished product when you're done?
Yep.
All right. Well, I'll let him get to work. I'm going back inside.
Alright, so got the Husky liners installed. Super easy job. You just use the 2 factory screws right there and right there. Then there's a piece of double-sided tape that goes right there that keeps it all in place. Works, gets the job done, not too expensive. I'm going to put a link to those down in the description. Also, got the Gator tonneau cover installed. Like I said, it keeps a lot of moisture out of the inside of your truck. Works great. I've had it on 3 other vehicles. I really do like it. Super easy to install. You've got these hangers right there. There's 3 on each side. That holds up your side rails. Got a little latch right there. You pull that latch, pops that up, and then you can just roll the whole thing up and it stores up against the cab. And whenever you get ready to close it, just notch that in there, 1 on each side. And you've got this flap that helps seal the tailgate. And then whenever you lock the truck, it'll lock your tailgate and keeps people from just reaching in and open it up. But of course, this is all just held on with Velcro. It just keeps this flap down to keep the moisture out of it. All right, so hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, be sure to like and subscribe and follow us. Instagram, TikTok. We're gonna go on an adventure to Red River, hopefully here in a couple weeks. I've got more videos coming out. Everybody stay safe.